platform is quiet, the old signs decay, and people stand watching, unsure of the way. My phone in the pocket, no ticket in hand, just looking for something I can understand. Then iron hums softly, the track starts to shine. Here comes the warm glow of peace train down the line. He rolls past the platform, a gentle slow glide, the door sliding open to invite us inside. Crowd holding breath, thinking, what if we fall? I smile, catch the handrail, and step inside tall. I step through the doorway, and pipe fills the air, like coming back home to a soft rocking chair. Lanterns are glowing, travelers singing a ring. No masters, no strangers, just the hope that we bring. The ticketeer smiles with the welcoming face, passes the ticket and welcomes to race. I look at the circle, identities forged, saying I have no paper to pay for the board. I brought only stories and dreams in my way. She laughs and she says, welcome to Road. Come ride on Peace Train, the engine of life. Leave the dark platform, step onto the right. Hop on the Peace Train, no first class, no coastering ledgers or visible trail. There's room for us all, where the music remains. Real pioneers stomp the first routes ahead days. No one left behind. The conductor said every stop, another friend, every soul, another line. There's a seat for you here, exactly like mine. Slice by slice, not taken from cake.